guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is NDUTA and this is my new apartment tour. If you like this kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. There is a lot of renovation vlogs coming, so you might as well. So this is the front door. It's a metallic door. It has two locks for safety, one above and one below, and it has a curtain rod for a curtain. And this is the view when you enter the house. It's quite large. I'm sure you can feel the echo. So when you enter, like, this is the first thing you see. There's this what is it called, the picture frame. It's a wooden one, and then there's that large window. We have a cable here for the TV. I think it's for the audio, if not the internet, I'm not sure. That is the TV wall. And then that is the second wall with a large window. This is the third wall of the house, of the living room that is. This house is quite large. So yeah, that is the living space. It's quite large. I love the tiling of this house. I love the brown. You pan this way, you meet the kitchen. And I'm still standing at the door, you guys. And I love that this house is an open kitchen, open concept house. So it just makes you become even more cleaner. This is the kitchen. Like, I'm so in love with this kitchen because I'm gonna put a video of my other kitchen. It was so small, so small. This kitchen is beautiful. And I love that the tiling on the floor is the same color as the tiling on the kitchen. So let us enter into the kitchen, and I am inside the kitchen, and it has this brown tile that is supposed to mimic marbling. As you can see, it has like a small countertop. Here it is, and then one sink. It's deep enough and it's wide enough. Comparing it to the other kitchen, it's big enough and it's wide enough. I love that the window is big. You can put some things here like cactus, nini. I love that you have this space here where I can put the stand for the utensils. And this countertop will really serve well as somewhere where I can just prep dishes. There's the kitchen window with the rod thingy. And then we have more storage space over here. I guess you can put like fruits or, you know, just things here. And then under the sink also, you can put cleaning essentials. As you can see, the tiles go all the way to 3/4 of the kitchen wall, as you can see. Then we have this beautiful cabinet, same color, brown, and yeah, pretty spacious. We have those two opening up into one big cabinet, and this one opening up into one cabinet. Those are just washing things that I was washing. And then here we have space where we can put a filter for the oven. So there's the oven switch. So obviously the cooker is gonna come there. And then we have this other storage space, which is similar to the other one. As you can see, one opens up to one big cupboard space in the other one. So yeah. And then here on this other side we have more sockets, which I'm guessing it's because of the fridge. So the fridge is mainly going to go over there. Then we have this, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it's still okay. It's still okay. It's still fine. So this is how the kitchen looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? I'm gonna put in a clip for the other kitchen so that you can see what I mean for when I say I didn't have space in my kitchen. This is probably the one reason why I prefer renting this house. Okay, so after the living room with the open kitchen space, we go into the bedroom. Now, here on this side after the door, you find this corridor. And I remember in the first house that I was raised in, we had this long corridor, and I always wanted to have a corridor in my house. Look at me now. So I'm just going to take you into the corridor, and I can already see a runner over here. It's going to look so good. This is the first room that you see. So this is the bedroom. And as you can see, the tiling is the same everywhere. Love it. Love it. And the first thing you see when you enter the bedroom is this large window with the curtain rod. They also still maintained the wooden, is it called paneling? Is it wooden thing in I think in the pictures, but you don't put pictures anymore. And then at the corner here we have this storage space. And this is one of the walls of the bedroom. And on the wall, very clean. And then just beside the door we have like a small nook. There it is. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there, but it's there. And then this is the, what is it called? The closet. It has some of my things there already. So I love that the closet is is ceiling to floor, meaning that it's very, very large. Very, very large. You can put your what are they called? Your sheets there, and then you have the rod thingy where you can just hang your clothes, and then there where you can put shoes or more things that you have. And then I love this because I'm gonna put my makeup here and my two thingies. And then I love that these ones are like, you just push like that, like it's so easy. I don't know in what, but it's very, very nice. That is the bedroom, guys. What do you think? As you step away from the bedroom, right across this beautiful corridor, you are met by this other nook, which is the bathroom nook. And before you even get into the bathroom, you're met with this sink, this thing where you keep your cleansers, your soap, and this large mirror. It's not properly washed. I was trying to wash it earlier, but it needs more work. And I love how high the ceilings to this house are. It just makes it look even more bigger. So yeah, we have that. These tiles are very pretty. Love it. And these are the same ones that are in the bathroom. Let me show you. So you enter the bathroom. There's a broken tile there. We can't have everything in a rented house. First of all, we have the hot shower, and this is the bathroom. So this is the shower system that we're using, that one. And let me show you how it squats. I feel like it's just a normal shower, but yeah. I love the color too. I love that it's not completely white. I prefer metallic ones, but pesa iko wapi ya kuweka metallic in the landlord house? Hiyo ni yako ujiweke. So this is the tiling that I was saying. It's not the same as the one chini. The one chini ni tu ile ya simnajua zile tiles za chini za bafu hizo tu. But this one is pretty nice. I haven't seen this in rented houses before. It's pretty nice. Love it. So I love that the theme for this house is brown even inside the bathrooms. And the bathroom has the towel rack. It's a double towel rack. Or you can just use one. You don't have to use the two of them. You can just use one. But I think I'm going to use it as a double towel rack. And then rack. We have the soap dish and the toilet thing. And we have the toilet. This is the system that we're using for our flush. So you just press here. There. Quite hard. And it flushes. That is the 3 windows. Love that it's 3. Most of the time unapatanga ni mbili, which makes it that light doesn't come through as much.